Tornado emergency for northwestern Orangeburg County. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for central Calhoun County in central South Carolina, north central Bamberg County in central South Carolina, northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 11 miles north of Denmark, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for northwestern Orangeburg County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. The following hazards are expected: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Orangeburg County Airport, Livingston, Brookdale, Nices, Cameron, Wilkinson Heights, Prince of Orange Mall, Norway, Orangeburg, Edisto, St. Matthews, Claflin College, Creston, Cordova, Edisto Gardens, and South Carolina State University. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park